This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Bryce C. Jones, PC, broker less than bedroom greater than ABR, CRS, ePro, GRI, RSPS, SFR. Very clean Palm Harbor home with a great 1,512 square feet. Floor plan. Great room design with high ceilings and crown molding provide a wonderful feeling of space. The kitchen features an island and plenty of knotty alder cabinets. The master suite is separated from the guest rooms and features a walk-in closet and an oversized bath with soak tub and a double vanity. Comfortably sized guest rooms are on the other end of the home. There is a welcoming front deck and a large rear deck overlooking the fenced backyard. A 10x10 storage shed, with power, off of the north end of the deck is perfect for a workshop or tons of extra storage. Oregon Water Wonderland is just a few minutes from Sunriver with easy access to Mount Bachelor, the High Lakes and Bend. The neighborhood